Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Windows 11 build and preparing a restore point so you can revert if needed. Once done, press Win+I to open settings and save time navigating. Make sure you have admin rights. They are required for registry edits and some advanced changes. This step prevents mistakes from becoming permanent, and it speeds up everything that follows. Now that settings is open and you're protected by a restore point, move to personalization to change taskbar behavior and layout. In personalization, taskbar you control visibility, alignment, and which system icons appear. Adjust these to reduce clutter or center icons for a modern look. Once you change taskbar behaviors, test overflow and corner overflow settings to avoid hidden apps. If you need precise control, like restoring the classic tray, you'll use Registry Editor. Make sure to paste exact registry paths and export the key first. These detailed actions modify how Explorer renders the bar. So restarting Explorer applies the changes immediately and shows you the result. Finish by restarting Explorer or rebooting so your taskbar updates correctly. This forces Windows to reload icons and layout. If something goes wrong, check taskbar settings, inspect taskbar overflow, and verify registry values you changed. Small typos can hide icons or break behavior. Once you've confirmed the layout works, remove the restore point only if you're confident. If instability persists, use System Restore to revert to the snapshot you made. That's the fastest, safe recovery option and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.